You should not meditate. Just give up meditation. In this episode of the Energy Healing Podcast, I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why you should stop meditating, why you should never meditate ever again. Welcome to the Energy Healing Podcast. My name is Haroon Rabbani. I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why you should not meditate. Here we go. Number 10. If you stop meditating, it means you're going to have to stop worrying, stop getting anxious. And a lot of us, we thrive on worry and anxious. I know I've got family members who do that. And without that anxiety, it's like life can't go on. Number 9. If you start meditating, what's going to happen is you're going to have to stop gossiping, talking about other people, stirring things up. After all, people who do exactly that, they basically have an empty life, and so they have to fill their life with other people's miseries. And there's something to talk about, right? We thrive on gossip. Look at the media, national media, particularly the tabloids, the news. It's all about negativity. So you're going to have to stop doing all of that if you meditate. If you begin to meditate, eventually you're going to stop doing all the gossiping. Oh my God, how can that be? Number 8. If you start meditating, you're going to have to destroy your commitment to stress. I don't know if you remember, but certainly for me, when I was a teenager and I had to hand in homework, I would do my homework lastminute.com on the bus. So the writing was bad. I was super hyper stressed that whole morning and in fact the night before. And if you start meditating, you're going to have to destroy your commitment to all that stress. Number 7, by meditating, you're going to have to give up your life of mediocrity. Why the heck would you want to be like meditators such as Arnold Schwarzenegger, Oprah Winfrey, Arianna Huffington, Russell Brand, Russell Simmons, Tim Ferriss, Deepak Chopra, Ray Dalio? If you don't know those names, then just Google them and you'll find out who they are. And so by meditating, you're going to end up being like a leader, a top achiever. Why the heck would you want to do that? Number 6, by meditating, you will no longer have excuses to be miserable and unhappy. Why the heck would you give that misery up? Number 5, feeling a victim, feeling like a martyr is absolutely wonderful for you because it's your comfort zone. There won't be any more pity parties. I've seen so many posts on Facebook, for example. Certain people use this. They'll post something and which looks like they've hurt themselves, they've got injured, and they'll go on about how difficult life is. And they get so many more likes and so many more pities and sympathies. By meditating, you're going to give all of that up. You don't want to do that, do you? Number 4, by meditating, you're going to have to stop freaking out and being reactive to people, places, circumstances. Somebody gives you some kind of news and you start freaking out and going into a panic mode. You're going to have to give all of that up. You don't want to do that. Number 3, ignorance is bliss. That means you will have to know stuff. You're going to start discovering the real version of you. And so by ignoring it, you don't really need to face your inner demons, your shadows, your darkness. You can ignore that and just go on with life. And when it comes to the age of 65, retire, or maybe 67, retire, live for another couple of years and die. And when you go to your coffin, when you go to your grave, you go there with your song inside of you. So you would never have made a difference to the people, the planet, and your own family. Number 2, you're going to have to stop destroying your organs, your kidney, your liver, your heart. All of your organs get affected by meditation because what that does is it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the brake system, and calms down the sympathetic nervous system, which is all about fight, flight, excess energy. All of that's going to be balanced up, and that means your organs are going to be in complete harmony, complete balance. You're going to have to give all of that up. You don't want to do that. It's better for you to destroy your organs and start aging from within. So instead of looking young and youthful when you're in your 50s and 60s, you can look like your 80s and 90s. And in fact, you can look like you're in your 50s when you're still 20. So by meditating, you're going to have to give all of that up. And number 1, by meditating, you're going to eventually become self-actualized, self-realized. You will become more enlightened. Who the heck wants to be like Buddha? Who wants to zen out all day? So those are the 10 reasons why you should not meditate. And of course, I'm joking about it. I'm being sarcastic. Meditation shouldn't be a choice for you. It should be obligatory. When I say obligatory, you decide, hey, you know what? I brush my teeth every day. I don't want my breath to stink. I don't want my teeth to go all yellow and manky. So I'm going to brush my teeth at least twice a day, if not 3 times a day. Meditation should be like that. It's even more important than brushing your teeth. Don't give up on brushing your teeth. Bad breath is not a good thing. So meditation does help you massively. And there's different types of meditation you can do. People very often get confused about meditation. There's the meditation you do on your own, the silence meditation, meditation with music, with ASMR. There's relaxation meditation, healing meditations. The best meditations my clients have experienced are the guided meditations and the healing meditations. So you don't have to do it alone. In fact, every Monday, I lead a team of people who go through guided healing meditations. Now, the truth is you have no excuse not to meditate. If you think you're struggling with meditation, then I've created a free PDF just for you, which is called the 27 Secret Hacks to Meditation. So if you want a copy of that, then click the link in the description and download it. Meditation isn't just about you. Meditation makes a difference to the people, the planet, as well as yourself, as well as your personal evolution. If you have a family, if you are young children, older children, if you're a grandparent, a great-grandparent, meditation helps your mental health, physical health, spiritual health. This life is the only life you're going to live, or you're living right now. So why not make the most of this life by meditating? I'm not here to advertise meditating. I'm really impressing upon you, and you do all the research. I've done plenty. You do all your research. Look at all the science. Look at all the leaders, like people in sports and politics. Arnold Schwarzenegger meditates. People like Kobe Bryant, people like Russell Brand. You don't have to be religious to meditate. There are people like Sam Harris, who's a massive advocate of meditation. He's completely atheist. Nothing wrong with being an atheist, spiritual or religious. Meditation transcends all of that. I hope this has been a useful episode, and I hope you get meditating. Like I said, if you want to learn how to meditate a lot more effectively, efficiently, just grab hold of the free PDF, and it's in the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.